Y'all, I had some leftovers in my fridge, and instead of throwing them away, I decided to experiment. Can marshmallows, Cool Whip, and chocolate actually make something that tastes like Three Musketeers? We're gonna find out today. So, we are going to be creative today, and we're gonna put those ingredients together. Y'all gonna watch me, and we're gonna see what we can come up with. Go ahead, keep watching. Don't they look delicious? Well, you gotta watch the video to find out how they were. Hey, it's Kietha T. So today I am being creative, y'all. I just had this brilliant idea and I'm gonna see if I can make it come together. So I just have a few things that's left over. I'm gonna combine them and see what happens. I'm gonna start off with my few marshmallows that I have, y'all. We're gonna put the marshmallows in my cup. I'm gonna put a little butter in there. I don't have no idea. I have not seen a recipe anywhere. I'm just being creative is the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna put a little butter and I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Let's go. Y'all, had a marshmallow overflow in the microwave. Oh, let's see what's happening. Well, oh, did I burn it? What? Oh, well, that's what it's looking like. We're gonna move on. Next, I'm going to melt some of my chocolate chip chunks. And I'm gonna put a little coconut in with that. Just a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna put that in the microwave. Guys, I don't know, I have like the craziest idea sometimes. So anyway, I've got a little Cool Whip left over here that I put a little chocolate pudding in before. And I'm gonna add these marshmallows right in, like so. Okay, let's go. See if we can mix this up. We going somewhere, y'all. We going somewhere. Oops. Like I said, I have just a few extra ingredients that I will never use for anything else. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to put these together and see what happens. Y'all, look at that. It doesn't really look that appetizing, does it? Okay, let me get my chocolate out. All right, we got our chocolate. Let's give it a stir. I'm just gonna add that right into the other mixture here. Right into my Cool Whip container. I'll give this a stir. Y'all, this looks, if I'm honest, don't look too good. But we're gonna see. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is I have my dish here with my parchment paper. I'm gonna just take this mixture, put it right in here. Ooh. Okay guys, the goal is to be able to freeze this. In my head, I'm thinking I'm gonna have something similar to like a Three Musketeer. I don't know. We gonna see. If I can get it spread, let's spread it out. Ooh. I'm so random, y'all. I'm so random, but your girl Kietha T is, I'm so creative. If it's gonna be good, I don't know. We're gonna find out. So that's what it's looking like. not really a good visual for you all, but let me see if I can hold it for you all. That's what it's looking like. So I'm gonna stick this into the freezer, and then we'll come back and we'll see what we're working with. We made a quick update. I decided to melt a little bit more chocolate just to layer, pour some on top. I didn't like how it looked, but I want to keep it 100, so I wanted to come back and let you all know. And so all I did was put just a little bit more chocolate on top. Now we're going to put it into the freezer. Okay, it is the moment of truth. Let's see if we were successful or if this was an epic fail, y'all. This is what it's looking like. It's been in the freezer for a while now. Let's get it out of here. Okay, enough cutting. I'm ready to see what it tastes like. That's what it's looking like. Let's see. That's good. That's delicious. Okay, y'all, that's really good. I've got to get a second opinion. Hubby wasn't really feeling it, but he did participate, y'all. Okay, keep watching. I'm going to try to get hubby to try this.
What is it?
Please, try it. Try it. Tell me what you think. Tell the people what you think. Does it taste kind of like a Three Musketeer? What does it taste like?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, right? There you go.